Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever downloaded a file on your Mac and wanted to change its name? Whether it's a document, photo, video or folder, renaming files on macOS is incredibly simple. In this video, I will show you several easy ways to rename files on your Mac, including a bonus tip for renaming multiple files at once. Let's get started. Method number 1. Rename using return key. The fastest way to rename a file is by using the return key. Here's how. First open your Finder. Now locate the file you want to rename. Just select the file. Select it only. Don't double click or it will open. And then press enter. As you can see, the file name will become editable. Now type the new name here. Then press enter again. That's it. Your file has been renamed. You can also rename a file from the context menu. Right click on the file first. And you can see here the rename option. Click on rename. Then give it a new name here. Then press enter again. This method is especially useful if you prefer using your mouse or trackpad. Another option is enough Finder's menu. Select the file first. Now on the top menu you can see here file. Click on file. Now you can see here the rename option. Click on rename. Again give it a new name. And then press enter. That's it. This works exactly the same as the other methods. Now let's know the bonus tips. If you have several files with similar names, macOS lets you rename them all at once. Here's how. Hold the command key first and select the multiple files. Okay. Now click on file. Now you can see here rename. Click on it. Now you will see several options. Replace text. You can see here. Add text and format. For example, let's use format. Okay, using format you can rename files like photo1, photo2 or photo3, starting number, custom file name, format and where. Okay, let's suppose we will take folder 1. Okay, then folder 2 and folder 3. As you can see here, folder 1, folder 2 and folder 3. This saves a lot of time compared to renaming each file individually. Things to keep in mind before renaming a file. Don't remove the file extension unless you know what you are doing. Avoid using special characters that may cause compatibility issues. Renaming a file does not change its contents. Apps that are already using the file may need to be reopened if the file name changes. So that's how you rename a file on a Mac. You can use a return key for the quickest method. Right click to rename or even rename multiple files at once using Finder. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.